Hi guys. So as you can see, my desk is messy and I've been a little MIA the last week because I was at the Victoria Marie retreat in Weatherford and that was lovely, and I met some great girls there, and literally the day before I left I got my product back from my print and cut guy. I don't know what else to call him. So my ephemera came in and I was so excited because I got to send out the first sets of a cheeky kit club. And so that's what I want to share with you now. I'm sorry I didn't do it earlier. As soon as I left the retreat, I literally hopped on a plane and went to Michigan and spent the 4th with Bab's family, and today is my first day back. So I'm playing catch up on my life. I've got a lot of things planned and I've been hustling. So I want to make sure that I show you this beautiful kit club because I'm really proud of how it's coming together. It's a really great value. This is $45 worth of product for $30 if you're a subscriber. Now, if by any chance I have some left over, it will be somewhere in the neighborhood of $35 to $38. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to price it. Hopefully I won't have any left over. In fact, I only have 7 of these left. So if you want one, I would suggest you jump in and get one because they're going pretty quick. So I did want to start with the basis of everything I do, which is my ephemera, and but I really feel like that's probably like the creme de la creme. So all of these, I'm going to save it till the end is my point. All of these kits are going to be built around either a collaboration with another, like say paper company. I'm doing some other small businesses, or they're going to be, I don't know, oh, I've got a shadow from my camera. That's what that is. That's not very cool, but I guess it is what it is. So yeah, but everything is gonna have my ephemera in it, and I'm gonna try to make at least 1 pack of ephemera. Well, I know I'm gonna make at least 1 pack of ephemera for everything. But if there's any way I can have the time to make 2 packs, which I did for my first one, then I will do that, because you know I like to do like labels and bouquets and things to go with my florals. So, and they won't always be florals. I do have something a little unique coming out for the next kit, so stay tuned for that sneak peek. But I did order this lovely paper from close to my heart. I am really impressed with their quality, and I was able to get colors that I felt went very well with the kit that I put together. So of course I based it off the ephemera, but well, we'll start with this lovely piece. It's just a crosshair, or a small little cross of teal marks, and then on the back is a lovely coral color, very soft, very pretty. And then the next one is this lovely green color that has the little, it's almost like a quilt pattern. I forget what that's called. A rail quilt, maybe? I know I've made one of those before. And then the back is the same pattern, but in a lovely yellow color. So this. So then we also have this beautiful, this is a purple. Now all of my kits, because of the way I had to order this first round, you won't necessarily get exactly the same colors. Some of the papers may differ, but they're all going to be matching to the ephemera. They all work beautifully together. So you may or may not say, you know, get this particular piece of paper, but you're going to get something exactly like it, tonality and, you know, simplicity. I didn't get anything that was too bold or took over or took away from the ephemera. So this is just a lovely dot, almost like a circle. It's not a dot actually, and it's a lovely green color. And then this side is purple in the same pattern. And then you've got this bright yellow that is a huge X, or I guess triangles, and then the lovely green side. Then this is one of my favorites. It's a beautiful pinkish coral type rose on one side, and then it's teal on the other. Beautiful. So then we also have coordinating cardstock. This is the light yellow, and then on the back is a shade darker. And then this is the light green, and on the back is a shade darker. So you have some options there. Sorry, my camera's being weird. It seems to want to go in and out. We'll go ahead and put some of these back up here so you can see them. See if we can keep those available for you to see. Put a pattern back with a pattern. I'm not doing a very good job of lining this up here. Okay. That's a little better. So then, also with the kit comes the Vicky Bouton Mixed Media stickers. There are 59 pieces, and they say lovely things like laugh out loud, the sweetest thing, very watercolory, matches the colors perfectly, but with a pop of black, which, you know, I like to have that accent color. Also the Amy Tangerine Rotary phrase stamp that has the days of the week and some lovely hearts. Also says, oh, happy life, weekend, celebrate fantastic. Love the handwriting, so that's really cute. I did make some sweet succulents cut apart labels. And these are exclusive to the kit. And there are 3 of those, and I've printed them out so that they match perfectly. This one is the flags. And this one is the 1 inch. So if you have a 1 inch punch, you just punch it right out. Also, we do have the flare, which I need to make some more because this is my last set, or I would take it out and show it to you. I guess I should, but it's about to be mailed off. So, I don't know how good you can see this. Here we go. My love and sweet. There are some arrows with that pop of black. Then there is a succulent in the blue and in the green. So those are flat back. Very pretty. We also have the sequins that match perfectly. They just, this lighting does not do them justice. They're gorgeous. There's a soft, very, very, very soft purple in there. A lovely bright green and yellow, and then a peach color. Just, it's lovely. I love how that turned out. And then there's also memory planner tabs that some are blank, some of them have little notes on them like remember. They come in the teal, the pink, the yellow, the green that matches, and the coral. Oh, and there's the back side, so you can see those. And then is this is my favorite. You know, I cannot resist this. So these are my ephemera pieces. Oh, actually, I'll start with the florals first. And sometimes, I mean, every kit won't be the same. Sometimes it will have, you know, twine or wood veneer, or maybe a traveler's notebook, maybe a shimmers product, something like that. It's just, oh my gosh, there's so much in here, guys. I love stuffing these full of product. I think they just, my print and cut guy, I mean, it's amazing. I'm so happy that I found someone. So here are some of the pieces. Some leaves. I put together some in a little, like, bouquet. And they're just gorgeous. Lovely blues and greens. Here's one in a pinkish purple. And these are called sweet succulents. Now you can buy this ephemera separate. It retails for $4.99. There's another, there's a pretty one that's got blue and purple. But there is just, oh my gosh, there's so much. I want to say there's about 60 or 70 pieces in here. So there's some more twigs. I don't want to go through everything because I don't want this to be a, you know, hour-long video, but you get the idea. Different sizes. This one is more like a little branch. So yeah, just gorgeous. My fave. And then we also have the labels and bouquets, which are also sold separately if you'd like to get them. And these are just, these turned out so happy with my print and cut guy. Now the way he shipped them to me was terrible because they kind of got all knocked around, so I wasn't happy about that. I let him know, the guy that packaged the product, like when he shipped it, needed some help. He was struggling, obviously. So there's some more of a different type of leaf. There are some lovely labels that you can journal on. Some that are obviously for journaling, but there are some of these, you know, I like to put bouquets together because it just kind of does all the work for you, you know. This one is just like a little tag. You could always punch a hole in it if you wanted to, which I've done, and I'm going to share with you some of my ideas with these two. Now, a girl at the retreat suggested that I make some layouts with my product before I ship out the kit. And on this one I couldn't do that. I ran out of time. So you can see there's probably 50 or 60 pieces in there. Probably more like 50 to 60 there and 60 something there. I don't know. There's a lot. There's a lot. So just beautiful. I'm hoping I can keep the cost down. I do lose some money having the print and cut guy do it. But I don't really want to raise my prices, but I'm not there yet. I'm going to see if I can keep them where they're at. So I'm going to try and work with that. So yeah, that is my beautiful ephemera. The quality is just amazing. You know, I'm big on quality, so stick these back in here. Oh. So, if you would like to get the kit, like I said, we have about 7 left, and so I would love to have you join. It's a 6-month commitment, but for if any reason, you know, you're unhappy or unsatisfied or something, you can always drop me an email. It's simply admin@cheeky.studio, and you know, I'd love to talk to you about it. And if you know, if you're unhappy, then after you've, you know, gotten a kit or two and you want to cancel, then just let me know. I'm not gonna force anyone to have something or pay for something they don't like. Oh, let's see, that's the other thing about my my bouquets. They're a mess. There's so many of them. They get everywhere. So make sure you have a little bowl or something. Oh, and I changed the like titles, or I guess the packaging. Isn't that pretty? And at least it's big enough now, like with the print and cut guy, that this falls down below where you can actually see the title, which you couldn't see before because it was stuffed and just the right size. So yeah, guys, that's the kit, and August is going to be fun too. So it is a PayPal subscription, and there's no, like, you can't use like a guest code or a discount code or anything like that because it's separate, and I'm already giving you a great deal. So I would love to have you join me, and I will talk to you later. Ta-ta for now.